What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're doing the three-spot randoms for the $50 group break credit for both group break 223 and 224. So we're going to go live and live. So we're live at 2:30. It's 2:30 here in Denver. This is for the first group break. So this is 223. We're going three times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Kupski, you beat out Keith. It's all right. He got the laughy. And three times. 1, 2, and 3. Kyle, $50 to you. So Andrew and Kyle. So we will go done and done. 2:30. Just turned 2:31. Congrats, Andrew, Kyle.